guys, welcome back to my another programming video. So last time we ended up here of a spiky game. So first I will go in arrows and then add some more scripts. I will first remove this at 1 second. So our game is some kind of this. Okay, and we want more exciting games. So to do that, first we have to add two variables, life and second is score. So okay, then we will first in clear set life to 0, set life to 3 and again set life to set score to let's say 0, and then okay, we will go in arrow and then we will come here and say if representative, okay, then we have to change life at above delete this clone. Above delete this clone you have to write change life by -1, and then again above and between change life and delete this clone you have to write change score by 1. Okay, so what will be done? Let's see. Wait a second. Okay, so I think here is that the 0.1. Oh, okay, so then this is the game, and then again we have to add in in that drop that when flag clicked forever if is greater than, if life is less than 1, then what you have to do, then just we have to do is okay, so for now we will put stop all. So let's see. Sorry, I am having cold. Wait, how? No. Okay, yeah. So we have to remove this change life, and we have to put it over here. Or no? Wait. Okay, yeah. So if then touching player change life by -1, put a forever loop and put a when flag click. And then let us see. Oh no. Oh. If touching player size by okay, changing score but not life. Okay. Um, okay. So if touching edge, repeat until touching edge or player, move 10 steps. Okay, I think I will copy this code and remove edge and remove edge. Oh, and then done. Remove all this rest and yeah. Now let's see. Ooh, what a speed. My score is 18. Okay, and we will create again a variable. It should be a cloud variable. Okay, and then we will put it as score. Okay, we will put the score variable, world score it is. So, and one more thing, we have to set score to score, world score. Okay, and if in here when flag clicked forever, if smaller than sign, if score is less than score, if world score is less than score, then set world score to score. So what will happen is, here is one more thing I need to do is, they are coming very fast. In the start we have to wait them 1 second. Sorry. Now it's okay. Now come. Now as I will go. Okay, I have never done that. This is a very hard game. So now my world score is also 16 and normal score is also. Now first I will make the speed a bit less, 5. What? How? What? Wait. I'm touching player or edge. Okay, so from here I will remove this and then everything will be okay. Perfect. Yeah. Now the game is working fine. And see, the world score is 22. Okay. And then okay, so this is also fine. And if you want to make spin, you can make, but for now I will not make. Okay. And one more thing I will do in this tutorial, and that is yeah. So I will create one sprite First I will text it as white. I will text let's say scope. Wait a second, Control C, Control V. After doing Control C and Control V to that letter, you have to press 5 times up arrow key and 5 times left arrow key, and then you have to push this backward sign and then make outline as black and make it a bit like this. See, now you can see. Sorry. And then come down. Okay. I will put it here, and again I will put one text named as life. Control C, Control V, 5 times up arrow key and 5 times left arrow key. Backward key 3 times. Outline should be black and width should be perfect. Okay. Group it. And yeah, this is done. And one more variable, sorry, not variable, one more text named as world, world highest oh, it's very long, wait, world scope, easy, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and again 3 times backward. Outline should be black and width should be, outline width should be 6 7. Whoa. There, yeah. Group. And here I will put it, and this is for this tutorial of making this all things working. And if you want to set a background color, you can set that too. Like I will choose saturation, and this color, I think okay, let's see how does it look. Ooh, hard to see arrows. Oh, the game is over. So this is for this tutorial.